TRYSTAR's new portable power cable reel cart. We got about 550 feet of cable, armored cable on this cart. Works pretty easy. One man can move the cart around, park the cart, put your wheel chocks in. Unlock the drum, pull the pin out. And one person can easily spool this cable out. You want to take most of this cable off when you get to the part where you can connect your feeds and hook into your transformer. We've got the secondary spool over here. You can release the parking stand. And now I can pull off the other end of the cable and hook that up to my source. And then put it away. Pretty simple. Obviously reel up what we have. Come over here. This unit comes with a AC 120 volt motor, little extension cord. Need source. You use a truck's inverter. We have a switch here for a wind and unwind. Put in the wind position, hit the button. We can reel this cable right back up. And up here, we put a parking bushing. Unplug it, wind the cord back up, and you're done.